Let's go. This way? Okay. Wow! Toys through time! I sure love toys! Monopoly! I wonder why they never had North Pole Avenue. I would definitely put a couple hotels on that. The Goldsmith dolls. Looks like those were made right here in Cincinnati. We make a lot of dolls in the North Pole. Wow! Carlisle and Finch trains. Looks like those are one of the first electric-made train sets.
It's fun, and here's the new Spider Wrap activity kit sold separately to use the Spider Wrap and stuff around the house. You can make animals.
I remember those. Those were really cool. Wow! Look at this. I'm so glad that these Pennsylvania Railroad Calendar Series paintings are now a part of Holiday Junction. Wow! Griff Teller painted a lot of these paintings. There's also one by Frank Riley. These paintings definitely put the Pennsylvania Railroad Company on the map as a modern and efficient transportation company. Wow, I'm so excited to see the Duke Holiday trains in their new home. Wow, there's so much to see. This is such a great holiday tradition. Look at the trains, wow. Wow, there's even hot chocolate and cookies. I'm pretty sure you can get those while you're here. I see a lot of my friends up there. Hi! There's so many things to see inside the train exhibit here. See if you can spot the Rocky Mountain Express billboard. That's the new Omnimax show. Hi, friends! The Duke trains were really cool. I think this is the hallway to Holiday Junction. Wow! Holiday Junction! Wow! Look! I can even make the trains go around here too! You can learn about all the different parts of the train by pressing these buttons. Look at the little man come out of the house! This train set has everything. Look at all these people. Wow, it's got trees. Oh, and look at this house. It kind of looks like my house. Wow, oh, here comes Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi. And look, there's even a kid-sized train. They can ride around the track, hop on in, looks like Santa's got some more mail. You can definitely put your wish list to Santa in this mailbox and I'll hand deliver them for you. Also, if you want, you can email Santa at santa@cincymuseum.org. We've also got our good friends Pogie and Patter. They're from Pogue's department store. They're a lot of fun. This is where the big man's gonna sit. I've been preparing for his arrival. November 25th. Start looking for him at 11:30 in the morning. It's gonna be extravagant. Wow, look at all the trains in the Garden Railway set. That must be what Union Terminal looks like. Oh, and look, I can even make the train go around. Wait, here comes the Caboose! Wow, Holiday Junction's so fun. I can't wait for you to come and see us.